breakage in the circuit. So the current will flow only when there is a continuous path is provided to it. Okay. So one more, in this circuit I have given the arrow marks. These arrow marks give the direction of current. Okay, how we will denote it? So very easy method is, remember the one point. So positive charges will be at higher potential and the negative charges are at lower potential. So the current will always flow from higher potential to lower potential. One more point, the electrons always flow from negative end to positive end. Okay, so remember the point, the electrons are flowing from negative to positive, then current will be in from positive to negative direction. So whenever electrons are flowing in negative to positive, current will be from positive to negative. That means for the flow of current, the electrons direction will be opposite, or the electrons movement will be in opposite direction of current. Okay, so that is how we will denote the uh, direction of current, that you can explain by this simple circuit. Okay, next topic is electric potential difference. Okay, so electric potential difference, what does it mean? Okay, first of all we should know what is potential difference, right. For general example I can consider a pressure difference. Okay, pressure difference means the high pressure and low pressure end. Suppose I'll take the example of water. Okay, steady water in a pipe, open pipe, half pipe, I have kept steadily, both are at same height, then the water will be stayed inside the pipe, right? Suppose I tilt it, that means I am increasing the height of one of the ends and decreasing the height of one more end, right? So that time the water will flow from high end to low end, right. That means I have created a height difference, right? Similarly, the potential difference is nothing but difference of charges at one end and another end. So when we can create this difference, whenever you connect a battery, there will be a potential difference. Okay, so that means what is potential difference? Very simple. The potential difference is nothing but it is the amount of work done in moving a charge from one point to another point. Okay, so electric potential difference definition is, it is the amount of work done in moving a charge from one point to another point. Okay, so electric potential difference symbol is V. Okay, and which is equal to, as I told, amount of work done, that is W, in moving a unit charge, that is Q. Okay, charge symbol is Q, work done is W, so V is equal to W by Q. This is the second formula for electric potential difference. Okay, so V is equal to W by Q. So the SI unit for electric potential difference is volt. Okay, remember that electric potential difference SI unit is volt. Okay, so now I have explained around two topics. First is electric current, second topic is electric potential difference. Okay, so electric current is formula is I is equal to Q by T. Electric potential difference formula is V is equal to W by Q. And from this diagram I have explained the simple electric circuit, and there need a continuous path for the flow of